Corsair Elite LCD coolers and the Elite LCD upgrade kit put your digital dashboard on display, allowing you to monitor temperatures, fan speeds, and more with a vibrant IPS screen. Once you've installed your Elite LCD cooler or upgraded your Elite Capellix cooler with the Elite LCD upgrade kit, it's time to dive into iCUE. Go to the tile for your cooler. Under lighting effects, ring lighting can be set to a variety of preset, custom, or lighting link effects to sync with the rest of your hardware. You also have the option to set the ring lighting to match the current screen. Screen setup allows you to configure the screen displayed on your Elite LCD module. You can choose from a variety of different screens to display different readouts from your system. You can also create a custom screen with a static image or animated GIF. GIFs can be 480 by 480 pixels with a frame rate of up to 30 FPS. You can also select a screen to be displayed when iCUE isn't running. You'll have a choice between a default monitoring screen or a custom screen. If you create a custom hardware screen, make sure to save it when you're finished. Now you'll see the screen when you lock your PC or close the iCUE software completely. Finally, if you go over to device settings, you'll be able to adjust the brightness of your Elite LCD, as well as set the target frame rate for any animations. And that's it! Corsair Elite LCD coolers and the Elite LCD upgrade kit for Elite Capellix coolers make it easier than ever to further customize your build. Thanks for watching!